FunSmartismच्या या सायकल वर्कशॉपला आलो आहे. इकडे सगळ्यात आम्ही सायकलची हिस्ट्री जरा केली. पहिली सायकल कशी आली, त्याचे पेडल्स वेगळे कसे झाले, टायरचे साईजेस कसे चेंज झाले, कम्फर्टचा बेटर झाला. अँड फिजिक्स ऑफ सायकल ऑल्सो वी लर्न. द काउंटर इंट्युटिव्ह थिंग ऑफ वेन यू वॉन्ट टू टर्न राईट, यू हॅव टू फर्स्ट turn left, all this stuff we learned. And then we came here and dismantled the cycle 1, 2, 3 times. That helps us understand how the cycle works and how do you remove the wheel if say you get if the cycle breaks sometime, how do you fix it a little bit. All that we learned and it's pretty good fun. Also very nice learning.
What all did you dismantle? How much did you dismantle the cycle?
We dismantled the tire, we dismantled the seat, we dismantled the pedals, almost everything.
Chain, handle, tire, tube, everything. So had you done this before?
No, this is the first time I've done this.
So will you be able to do it next time?
Yes, definitely.